Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be taking a look at and reviewing this 450 watt Orbital sander from Ferrex, which I bought from Aldi here in the UK.
So just taking a quick look at the box, we can see that it has 450 watts of power. It's an Orbital sander suitable for works on rounded surfaces. It has the hook and loop system for the pads. Sanding surface is 125mm diameter. It has a soft grip, adjustable front auxiliary handle. The cable is 3 meters. It has a dust box and dust adapter for dust extraction. And it includes one sandpaper, which is an 80 grit.
So inside the box you get the sander itself, the instruction manual, there's one sanding pad, the dust collection box and an adapter for your dust extractor. Fitting the pad on was nice and simple. And it has a nice stiff on and off switch and an adjustable handle at the front, and it also has adjustable speed settings. The dust collection box goes on smoothly. So now it's time for a test. I used this on several projects recently and I found it to be quite useful. I could start off on a low setting and then work up to a maximum speed setting, and it does a pretty good job, and it's quite comfortable to use because you can adjust how you hold the sander. You can use that front handle and there's two at the top. Now for the dust collection box, and as you can see it did collect a fair amount of dust, so it does work to some degree.
Right, so that is about it for this video. So first impressions of this sander, I think it's very good. It's a budget sander and it has all the features that I would expect to find. It's got a nice solid on and off switch. It's got variable speeds, which is very useful, and then it has like these multiple handles. You've got one here, one over here, and then you've got this one at the front that you can adjust as well, and that's great. Saves your arms from getting tired. And the dust collection box does actually work, as I've shown earlier on. So I think it's a nice little sander, does the job. I don't think Aldi are currently selling this. I don't think it's currently in stock at the moment, but you might be able to find one second hand, or they might come back into stock at some point. I paid very little for this. I think it's a bargain. I think I paid between £10 to £15 for it in a sale they had. So if you can pick one of these up cheap, I would recommend it. So if you did like the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.